Good morning. Today we are doing Jasmine style bubble braids. This is exactly what you wanted, isn't it? She was like, oh mummy, today can I have ponytails and can they be the bubble ones? So I've done one, as you can see, and she's chosen the colours to match her lovely play suit. So we've got purple, pink, orange, black and purple just again. There, and purple again, yeah, exactly. Okay, so just going to turn you around then so we can see in the camera. So I've just started by parting the hair down the middle. I've sprayed it with a little bit of water and I'm going to put these ponytails sort of near the back of her neck, not too close to the front. I don't want them sticking out behind her ears. Combing that through. So the first one is the purple one, please.
The purple one?
Yeah, thank you very much. Morning, Joe. How are we? Okay this morning? Thanks for coming on and joining us. Okay, so there we go. There's the first. Let me just turn you around and make sure they're sort of even. Need to do that by looking at it. Okay, there we go. So we've got both the bubbles there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a small elastic and I'm going to get the hair and I'm going to put this elastic band on the hair. And I'm going to use these because these are a bit less slippy than those cotton hair bubbles. These have got a little bit more stick to them. I'm going to just slightly pull it down. I want it about the length of my finger because I want each one to be fairly similar. So what I'm going to do now, that's on there, let's bring this camera a little bit closer so you can see. I'm going to just gently pull on the outside pieces like this to get that bubble effect. Now let me just turn you around because I need to, actually I can see in the camera. I want to make sure that these are symmetrical. So I want to make sure that they're the same. This is the thing with doing symmetrical styles, you want them to look the same on both sides, don't you? If you just had the one ponytail, it wouldn't be so tricky. Okay, so there is one done. Ah, Freya, thank you. She loves it. She just had one done. She's like, oh, these are perfect. Mummy, this is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so I'm going to put a pink soft bubble. Is that what we've got next? No, we've got orange next. Oh, have we? Let's have a look. No, you're right, it is pink. Pink is next. She's even organised the colours that she wanted. Good, thank you, Well. What's your daughter's name? Ah, that was so lovely. But do you know what? I don't put her name on the internet. So, yeah, but thank you for being so interested in her. I just, yeah, I don't put everything on the internet. Don't say where we live, don't say our names. Okay. But thank you. And I'm pleased to know that you're well. Okay, so there is the first bubble done. So the next bubble, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another clear elastic.
Oh, there's one here.
Oh, thank you, Poppet.
I got it all sorted.
Thank you. Okay, so just another clear elastic here. I'm going to just go down the ponytail, pull her hair through, like this. Try and make it the same sort of length again, and I'm just going to gently pull on these edges like this. So yesterday we had some people on here from Australia, we had some from America. Los Angeles, we did. Have we got any other places this morning? Let's see, so there we go. Can you see that nice bubble shape? That's good, isn't it? Okay, we're going to put the next. These soft bubbles are really lovely, but they don't really hold this bubble braid as well. So that's why I'm just putting the elastic underneath it to begin with, just to hold its shape. Okay, there we go. Let's pull it back a little bit, her hair's so long. Okay. Oh, from New Zealand. Oh wow, I think that might be our first New Zealand watcher, exactly. Hi Susie, thanks for watching. Does your little girl let you do her hair, Susie? Or does she want you to do her hair? so far, all these styles this week have been what you want, aren't they?
Yeah.
I've got in my mind what I want to do, but she's like, actually, today, can I have these? And I was like, okay, that's fine. We won't do what I was thinking. I was thinking about doing a waterfall braid today.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Ah, well, I was going to do a cheats one, like an easy version one. Okay, so there's the next little pom-pommy bubble braid. Thank you.
That one tomorrow.
Okay, we'll perhaps do that one tomorrow then. Well, nice cheats waterfall braid. 'Cause a waterfall braid can be a bit tricky, but I've got a really good little trick to make them a bit easier. Let's turn you down a bit. Oh, see if I can tilt it. There we go. Right, next one. Oh, I think we're down to our last one now. Okay, let's just put this last one on the end. During lockdown, I gave her a haircut because it was getting really tatty on the ends, and also
4 inches.
we dip dyed it with tissue paper, and I don't think it was the best idea, but now her hair is so thick on the ends, it's lovely.
Because you cut off 4 inches.
Oh, let's take this first, thank you. I did. She wasn't happy with me.
No, not in the slightest.
Yeah, but it needed it, and I think it's partly because I'm not a very good hair cutter. Oh, I have a 10-year-old who is over having years of braiding and just wants a ponytail, and the 4-year-old who runs around. What's it say? Who runs at the sight of a hairbrush. Oh no! Oh, perhaps try doing it while she's watching the television or something. Try distractions. That always helps. Okay, so there we go. Last one. So like I said, we've chosen these you've chosen these hair bubbles to match your outfit, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take your hair brushes and things away off your lap. Let's give you a spin, so it's nice and quick. There we go. I know the Dutch plaits, I think they look tied in my daughter, don't they? Oh, that's a shame. That is what my other little girl has every single day, either a French or a Dutch braid. Okay, so here we go. Is this what you wanted? Exactly how you wanted them? There we go. Exactly what she wanted. 2 bubble braids to go with her outfit today. Okay, well, I hope you have a lovely day. We'll perhaps be back on again. Oh, thank you, Susie. That's really kind of you. Okay, take care. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.